I can't believe that this is in this tiny little box. So here's what the stuff looks like. Comes with a little bulb. I mean, a regular bulb. This is the, I guess, the lamp holder thing. Power adapter. This is the actual body of the lamp. And then, underneath this little box, is the actual body case. So this feels like it is a standard MDF, but the veneer that's around the MDF is much thicker and feels a lot more heavy duty than regular MDF DIY build it yourself kind of furniture, which is good. It feels much more sturdier and heavier and thicker coating. This vinyl or whatever they use for the veneer around the MDF, this is definitely, you know, if someone didn't know or was new to it, they would think that this is real wood. So it feels very nice and heavy and dense. I'm kind of surprised. I wasn't expecting that. So now I'm gonna assemble, and I'll update the review once I assemble it, if I remember.
Okay, so I just bought this lamp and I am so impressed with how easy it was to put together and how beautiful. Like, it actually looks really good. Anyway, so here's the different settings. So it has 3 different settings, and then we're gonna come over here and okay, so put this completely together myself. It was so easy to do. It was crazy. But it actually stands pretty tall. And then right here you have the USB and like a Type-C charger port. And then the on and off button, a plug-in. And then they give you these cool little tabs. Those right there. They give you those, you stick them on there, that way all the wiring doesn't hang loose. And I mean, like, honestly, like, I am so happy with how this turned out. Pepper does too. He really liked the boxes it came in. But the instructions were super easy. Like, it just blew my mind how easy this was to put together. So yes, I would highly recommend.
Cat for size reference. I got 2 of them. It's in a gray color. And you've got your USB-C and your USB, your light switch and your outlet. I prefer to have natural color light bulbs, which I'm going to probably switch out later. But it's got extra storage space. It's pretty spacious. They are very lightweight, so don't be surprised when you get your box and there's a piece in a box, in a box, in a box, in a box. Almost like nesting dolls worth of boxes.
Y'all, I love this light so much. So there's 3 different light color options just by hitting this little switch, and you can also see the charging ports, and you can plug it in like an outlet. So it just turns on by flipping this little switch. But check out the different colors. I personally like the warm color. And then there's shelves where you can even put like cute little baskets in there, but it's the perfect size for the side of my couch. I wanted to add additional light and storage, and I am obsessed with this.
Oh, okay. I honestly thought he was gonna come in with us. I thought he did.
No, we did.